Now that Tony's got the lift in the garage, now we're going to take all the, I call them giblets, from between the runways. It's hard to believe, but everything for this lift has been packaged between these two runways. And we're going to put it over here on cardboard because we want to protect the customer's floor.
And I want you to notice also, Jay, look at all the bubble wrap that's in there. Look how we've put plywood between each one of the posts. All the places that it could rub and make scratches on your lift, we've tried to cover that with either cardboard, plywood, or bubble wrap. Another nice thing to do with some of that leftover cardboard that you had on the packaging is put it on your floor, because I know a lot of you guys have very nice floors and you don't want to get it scratched up. So you can set, just like Jay's doing, setting all the parts on that cardboard to keep your floor looking good.